Dharawal Experience is a fantastic opportunity to provide the broader community with some knowledges about the local area and how the local area is, it relates to Aboriginal people. It's a chance for not only the local people but also tourists to come up here and look at the photographs and look at the places of significance. Keira, Mount Campbell, Sandon Point, Bradbery, there's a whole range of locations and they can relate to those on the photographs and go, okay, they're of significance to the local Aboriginal people. One of the main messages is that once people have come here, I would like them to go back to their broader communities, go back to their friends, their work colleagues and share the experience and say, hey, come up and have a look and see what significance that Illawarra has to the local Dharawal people.
It's obviously appropriate that we be welcomed to this country, and it's my great pleasure in a moment to introduce Uncle Richard Campbell, who is going to perform the welcome to country and of the smoking ceremony, designed of course to cleanse our area.
Yalanga, Yalanga, Galamba, Moro Nin, Nergon, Dargan, Gundu, Malada. All my people, past and present, especially my old people, walked this country for over 60,000 years, nurturing, protecting, teaching oldest culture in the world. For they have taught us the songlines, our dances, our stories of this beautiful place called Australia, but especially here on Dharawal Country, the start of the South Coast. Nothing like it in the world. Your Bradbery whale is our oldest ancestor that paves the way in this garden, this big ocean, what we all hear today about. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you to the founding partners, Destination Wollongong, and also to the Illawarra Aboriginal Corporation. Thanks also to other partners, BlueScope, IMB Bank, Regional New South Wales, and the project is also supported by Wollongong City Council. Now we have the Dharawal Experience, and it allows us to showcase not only the Dharawal country, its rich, vibrant and living culture, including Keira, Bradbery and beyond. It also allows us to showcase the local traditions and practices. It allows us to showcase the local Aboriginal people who call Dharawal Country home.
We should always consider our Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander history and how we can build more respectful relationships and share that with others. But more specifically, to showcase and celebrate the oldest continuous cultural traditions we know of in the world. So the Dharawal Country Experience Plan is a great step in acknowledging the heritage of the Illawarra, which dates back, as we know, tens of thousands of years.
Destination Wollongong's been working on our reconciliation action plan for a number of years and building that cooperation and collegiate relationship with the Illawarra Aboriginal Corporation, and that is what you see here today, the launch of the Dharawal Country Experience.
It's absolutely critical that we not only share and tell our story, but we educate future generations about the rich Aboriginal history that they are very, very lucky to be part of and live within.
Without the support of BlueScope, without the support of the IMB Bank, without the support of Regional New South Wales and especially Wollongong City Council, this wouldn't have come to fruition. And I'd invite the rest of us to gather in the foyer where we'll have the cutting of the ribbon for the country experience.